Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Tim. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's video is an update video of the new veranda homes that were recently put on the market for sale by the Villages, located here in the Village of Richmond. I wanted to take you to the new veranda home neighborhood known as the Village of Richmond, and I will show you some of the homes that I believe are still on the market for sale. Here is the Village of Richmond right there. I will show you the homes that still may be available. They're not listed for sale at this point, but I noticed on the Village's website that these homes are not listed as pending. So I think the Villages might be offering them for sale soon. I'll take a walk through the neighborhood and show you these homes. Here I am in the Village of Richmond. And this is the postal center for these new veranda homes, as well as these designer homes located here in Richmond East. And if you recall, I did a video prior, last few weeks, about these homes. And you notice that those veranda homes there have a backyard that faces a retention pond, which is located right over here. And for those new to the channel, my name is Tim. Welcome. I do Villages related content. And I'll explain the concept of a veranda home is they offer the size and square footage of a designer home, but they also offer the privacy and convenience of a courtyard villa where the side yard and backyards are fenced in for privacy. And what you see over there are the new veranda homes that were recently listed for sale by the Villages. Most of them are already sold, but there are a few of them that have no status identified on the Village's website. And the no status could mean that they are still for sale, or that they are sold. As I walk up to this new veranda home neighborhood, you do see that the designer homes on the right, there are a lot of people moving in. There's more cars than when I did the update video a couple of weeks ago. Here I am standing on the corner of Boatwright Avenue in Woodman Place, and I am at the Richmond Verandas East. And these are the new veranda homes that were recently listed for sale by the Villages. And I wanted to give you an update of these homes. You can see there's a lot of people milling around in here as we enter the neighborhood. That home there is listed as pending, and the first three homes on the left are also listed as pending. In other words, there's an accepted offer on these homes. You can see people milling around in this neighborhood yet. But there are some lots that are not identified as pending. And I'm wondering if these homes are still available, if the Villages will put them on the market soon, or if they have been sold. And you can see there are signs in the windows. Here is a home located at 4130 Boatwright Avenue. There's a sign in there that says sold. So the first three homes are listed as sold. Here's the fourth home on the left on Boatwright Avenue. There is no identification on the village's website, so I'm wondering if this home has not yet been listed for sale or if it's sold. I do see this home does have, looks like shutters in the window. So maybe I'm thinking the home is sold. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. So that's the fourth house. The fifth house is also listed as pending. And you can see the sign in the window does show that it's pending. Good morning. How are you? So that's the fifth house. The sixth house, 3, 4, 5. The sixth house. This house is not showing any status. So I'm not sure if this home is sold or if it's going to be listed. The address is 4108 Boatwright Avenue. 142-6 PD is in the window. That's the sixth house. The seventh house here is listed as pending. You can see there's a lot of contractors in the area. It looks like painting contractors in the area. So the seventh home here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh home is listed as pending. This home here, the address is 4092 Boatwright Avenue. I know the end home is listed as pending, and then the next two have no status. So that home has no status on the village's website, and that home there has no status on the village's website. And I don't see any signs in the window of these homes saying that they're sold or pending. So I'm assuming these homes are going to be available for sale soon. That address is 4082 Boatwright Avenue. Here in the Village of Richmond. So there's no status on that home. And there's no status on this home. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Maybe I can take a walk up to that home and take a peek inside to see if there's anything in there that would lead me to believe that the home is sold. Written on the window. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. We are in the Village of Richmond. Here in the Villages, Florida. All the homes on Commerce Street, we are on Commerce Street. All these homes along here are shown on the website as being pending. And are essentially sold. Actually, Commerce Court. I'm walking on Commerce Court right now. All these are showing as pending. Some of these have signs in the windows saying pending, and some do not. These homes sell very fast, friends. You need to work with the Village's real estate agent if you're interested in these homes. Now I'm standing on the corner of Bojangles Terrace and Commerce Court, right there. And I will walk down Bojangles Terrace. That home there does not have any status either. But I think the last time I did a video, that home was listed as pending, and I think that home is sold. So it is possible all these homes are sold. It's just that some of these homes do not have a status on the Village's website. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. That home there has a sold sign in it. I'm walking south on Bojangles Terrace. All these homes on both sides of the street are showing as pending. Today is Tuesday, November 26th. I wanted to give you the most recent update of these homes. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. There is a home or a lot up on Bethlehem Lane that does not show a status. That might be either sold or might not have been listed for sale yet. It is common that the Villages doesn't release all the homes in a community all at the same time. Here they're doing pressure washing on a brand new home. Look at that. So let me see, 1, 2, 3. Bethlehem Lane, as I watch him do 1, 2, and 3. So there's the third home that does not have a status on the Village's website. But it has 2 cars parked in front of it. So I assume that home is sold. Look at that, he's doing pressure washing there. That home does not have a status on the website. Right there. 2596 Bethlehem Lane. So I'm going to assume all these homes are sold then. But I wanted to take a walk through the neighborhood and let you know what it looks like a few weeks after I did my initial video. And you can see it looks like some people are already moving in. They still have some contractors doing some touch-up work. I am walking west on Bethlehem Lane now, just for your information. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. It is a beautiful day in the Villages. Well, there's a cleaning service right here. Cleaning service. We can do it. First shift cleaning. So, much like the new courtyard villas up at Villa Marbella, these homes are getting cleaned, getting ready for the new owners to move in. There you have it. I walked the entire neighborhood of the Veranda Homes East here in the Village of Richmond. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. I will finish the video standing on the corner of Boatwright Avenue and Widman Place. Right there. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.